Welcome to minthilltool Rentals educational video series, where we look at various equipment made available for rent to you. Today we're going to be discussing tying down that heavy equipment properly so that it can be hauled on the trailer safely.
Hi, welcome back. My name is Rosa, and today's video we'll be talking about how to load up and properly secure your machine. Securing your machine is very important. You want to ensure safety on the road. So let's get started. Here, my friend Raj will go ahead and walk you through the process.
Yep, as I say, Rosa, the most important thing we stress about is safety, right? So before we put any equipment, as we load in a skid steer, we're gonna check, make sure the tire have the correct pressure. So we check the tires is good. We make sure the trailer is chucked properly. And then after, we come in front, we have a pin here, we unlatch the pin. The trailer will tilt, and then after we could load the machine on the trailer.
Okay, and you could go ahead and load it up and show us how it's done?
Yes, thank you.
And when loading up the machine, you want to make sure you load it up slowly.
The first thing you do, you make sure you lock back the spin, very important. You're safe so the trailer won't tilt. So you secure the trailer from tilting.
Now, Raj, I have a question. Is this a way safe to have all your weight to the front of the trailer?
Yeah, this is the a skid steer. The weight, the machine has to be full because the weight is more to the back of the machine.
Okay.
Right? So we put it right up to the front of the trailer.
Okay.
To have the correct weight on the trailer. So I'm gonna do the right thing.
Raj is tying the front of the machine. You're getting the front secure. So it only takes one chain in the front?
One chain in the front, and what you do, you back the back of the machine so it will tighten that chain.
Okay.
So that's what I'm going to do now.
Okay.
That's it.
That's when you know the chain is tight.
The chain is tied in now.
Now what do you do next? Tie down the back?
Yeah, we have to put a chain and a binder in the back. Secure your binder.
So your binder goes always in the back?
Yeah, all the way to the back. Or you could use this hook, anyone, once your machine's secure.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
So you're using 2 chains and 1 binder?
2 chain, 1 binder. And this is, you come now and you lock your binder. And you see the chain is getting tight?
Yes.
That's it. That's the secure. Machine secure.
And that's it?
That's it.
Nice and simple.
Yeah, that's it. Easy.
This right here is a chuck in front of the tire. And what's the reason behind this?
Right. The reason behind this, Rosa, if you don't have this to chuck the trailer, and when you're about to put the machine on the trailer will take off. It will move, and you have no control of the trailer. So that's why this is very important to chuck this trailer.
And there you have it. Remember, taking the extra time to double check behind your straps and securing points will save you a lot of trouble when you get on the road.
Go.
Thank you, Raj, for showing us how to load it up and tie it down properly.
No problem, Rosa. You're always welcome. Time to go back to work. Thank you.
Have fun.
Yep,
All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Now, if you have any tips for us, any questions of your own, make sure you drop them down in the comments, and we'll love to hear from you. Now, thanks for watching and stay safe.